Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And today I want to discuss that CG Trader has recently announced their AI platform where you can create your illustrations, your image, your logos for free. And today I'm going to discuss that how can you use your text or your filters to create those images. So first, the interface is looking like this. Here in CG in gallery, you can see the all of the images created by different creators on CG Trader using this cgdream.ai. The link of this website is given in the description. You can check it now. And based on these 3D models, you can see that. So based on these 3D models, for example, you have any illustrations in your mind that you have to create a car running into the road, running on road. So what you will do, you will search here for the car. You cannot create 3D models for this as I researched on it. But for example, you have type here car for search and any car which is similar to your reference. For example, I have this one. So what I will do, I will select the angle which I want to. For example, I need this angle to uh, be on road with this angle. So what this description and the filter will do, this will capture this screenshot of this model and create an AI generated image for you. For example, I'm writing here, uh, create a car running in road at dark forest in it, like this. Now as you can see, uh, here one filter is already applied. As you can see here, one filter is already applied. You can choose the percentage of filter, how much of the car. If you want this, that car should 100% match with your uh, illustrations, or if you want that car should match 50% of the given perspective, so you can edit here. And also here what you can do by pressing enter after typing it, or you can go into the filter also like this. It will open a pop-up where you can select the theme uh, which you want to add for your illustration or your artwork that you want to create with this CG Dream generated AI image. For example, I am trying to get the dark forest. So what I will do, I will select the image which will be which look like dark forest, something like uh, mhm, something like this. Okay, I selected that. And also I will select one more for my uh, look, that what type of look I want in it. So what I will do, I will select this architecture and this thing. So after that I will try to generate that. It will work on that screenshot which model rotation is mandatory. And these are the earlier images which I have prepared. This is also generated from model. This image was generated from 3D model. So the rotation of your object you have placed in your 3D model viewport, the image will be generated based on that. As you can see, I have generated this car using this feature. In the same direction I have used my rotation of my 3D object. And Forest and theme is also matched with that. But the thing is, if you want this card to be matched 100% and forest is 100 and this one is, you can adjust these filter from here. So now you can generate that. Another option is let an AI enhance image generation and handle the detail. So the thing, if you create generate image, after that, if you want to create or enhance your image using this, you can use enhance tool after this. And these are the some settings if you want to create thumbnail or anything, or if you want your image to be in the private mode, so it can be in the private mode. Number of variation, how many of variation you need, and what is this. So yes, this is how we can use the cgdream.ai, and the link of this is given into the description. Please check it out, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm posting updates regarding new things and creating some tutorials day by days. But since so many days I haven't uploaded any tutorial, but I will be continuing after this. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.